Sa akin lang naman po, although again, with all due respect no, to Attorney Kapunan, dahil hindi ko naman po gusto talaga mag-object kung hindi kinakailangan. Yun lang kasi parang nabibigyan kasi ng kulay pag ganong mga pangalan. Although she stated naman for the record na she's just reading it the way it's written. So, but to me kasi ang dating sa akin is nabibigyan ng kulay. Of course, no offense meant to Attorney Kapunan. I'm just doing my job as counsel. So, and I found the question to be objectionable. If you noticed, medyo malimit lang naman yung pag-o-object ko kanina. Maraming bagay na sa tingin ko hindi na dapat objectan. At katulad nga kanina, nagkaroon kami ng issue na uh, ang pinapa-strike out ko ay yung sagot. Ang sabi, dapat nag-object ako sa tanong. Well, kaya kinailangan kong i-put on record lang na hindi naman kasi talaga objectionable yung tanong. Pero yung sagot yung objectionable. Kaya lang ako nag-object na, well, actually, I did object. I moved that the answer be stricken off the record. So, may mga ganong bagay, may mga ganong nuances, no? But, again, I respect the distinguished counsel of Attorney Kapunan greatly. So, I think it was an interesting